Good afternoon, dear. Am I audible to everyone? Yes, am I audible, students? Just text me if I am audible. Okay. So today we are going to do the revision of lesson number 6. And lesson number 6 is division. So before we start with our division, let us do the revision of yes, students. Is the screen visible now? Okay. Can you see a white screen? Okay, thank you. So let us begin with our revision of lesson number 6. So in this, we are going to do the revision of tables, division. Okay. and tables also. So first sum given to us is 20 divided by 4. Now how you are going to solve this 20 divided by 4? First of all, you will be drawing a vertical line in a curve shape and a horizontal line, and then write 20 inside and 4 outside. The very first number is 20, which you will write inside, and 4 you will write outside, which means you are going to divide 20 by 4. Now how to divide 20 by 4? Everybody knows 4's table? Yes, everyone knows 4's table? So yes, Krutar, please say the table of 4. So the table of 4,
4
dear.
ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. What is that?
Please say 4's table.
4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40.
Okay, student. Sujal, please unmute yourself
Yes, teacher.
and say the table of 4.
4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40.
Okay. So this means that you know, everyone knows 4's table, right? So with use of 4's table, we are going to divide 20. Now the division's first step. The very first step is you have to see this number. This is 20. First of all, you will see whether this number comes in the 4's table. Comes in the 4's table means whether this number is as an answer in the 4's table. You will see over here right hand side I have written all the full 4's table. Can you see? Yes. Now in this 4's table you will see 4 5s is 20, which means the expected answer. What did we expect? That we should get 20 answers. So here it is 4 5s are 20. So what we are going to do is we are going to write 5 up and carry minus 20 from it. Yes, students, you can practice in your notebook because your workbook almost you must have been completed. So we are doing revision, so you can use your notebook. So now 4 5 is 20 and 20 minus 20 will be 0. That means when we divide 20 by 4, you will get the answer as 5. Understood everyone? Okay, Mishika wants to explain. Okay, Mishika, unmute yourself. Yes. Say dear. Yes. Yeah, say the table. You wanted to say the table, no? Frequently you have sent the chat to me. Come on, say the table of 4. Your voice is not audible, dear. It's very low, dear. Are you there?
Yes.
Yes, say.
4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28, 4 8 is 32, 4 9 is 38, 4 10 is 40. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, Swara wants to explain the sum. Swara, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Yes, explain.
yes, ma'am.
You want to explain this
Yes.
sum, dear?
Yes, ma'am, I am explaining.
Yeah.
Sum is 20 divided by 4. So, first of all, draw a lattice box.
Lattice method in division? No, dear.
Sorry,
We are doing division.
sorry, ma'am, by mistake.
Okay.
First, draw a box. Then outside we write a 4 and inside 20. 4 5 is 20. Upside we write 5. 20 minus 20 is 0. Therefore 20 divided by 4 is equals to 5.
Okay, great. Okay, Nishad, unmute yourself and say the table. Unmute yourself. Okay, say the table.
4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28, 4 8 is 32, 4 9 is 36, 4 10 is 40.
Good. Manoj, very good. Manoj has explained the full sum in the chat. Very good, dear. Very good. Very nice. So let us solve one more example. So the next example given to us is 14 divided by 7. So I have 14 divided by 7. So which table we are going to use? Come on, type in the chat box which table we are going to use. Yeah, I will give chance to say the table, but first answer my question. Correct. Waiting for the rest. Rest all should reply. Which table we are going to use now for 14 divided by 7? Correct. Yes, correct. Very good. So here is Sarthak More. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Say table of 7.
7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63, 7 10 is 17.
Very good. Yes, Vedant, unmute yourself. Vedant Sutar. Yes. Say the table of 7. Yes, unmute yourself, dear.
Yes, miss.
Say the table of 7.
7 answer 7, 7 to the 14, 7 to the 21, 7 4 the 20, 7 5 the 35, 7 6 the 42, 7 7 the 49, 7 8 the 56, 7 9 the 63, 7 10 the 70.
Very good.
Thank you, miss.
So who will explain 14 divided by 7? Anybody from you all? How we are going to solve 14 divided by 7? Okay. Yes, Janvi. Correct, Manoj. Very good. Good attempt. Nishad, unmute yourself. Yes, unmute yourself. Okay. Explain. You have muted yourself again. Okay, Shravani. Unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Explain.
Huh? Yes, 7 1 the 7, 7 2 the 14. 7 2 the 14 minus 14. Answer is 0.
Okay, 7 2 is 14. So 2 you will carry up and 14 minus will be 14. So remainder is
0.
okay. So hope everyone has understood. One more sum we are going to solve. 24 divided by 4. Okay, Janvi wants to explain. Wait, Janvi, I will unmute you. Unmute yourself, dear. Okay.
24 divided 4. So for we will write 4 in outside and in 24 in inside.
Okay.
4 6 is 24. We will write up 6. So 24 less 24 is equal to 0 0. 24 divided 4 is equal to 6.
Okay. So now,
Thank you, teacher.
Nishika, yes, Nishika. Unmute yourself. Yes. Explain the division, dear.
24 divided by 4.
Okay. Next sum. 12 divided by 3. So 12 divided by 3 means we are going to use the table of 3. Who is going to repeat the table of 3? Okay, another other students, I want to give chance to everyone. Yes, Pujal, unmute yourself. Pujal Singh, unmute yourself. Am I audible to everyone? Okay, thank you. My voice is not coming. Is it audible to everyone? Okay, thank you. Some students are texting me that my voice is not coming. That means I'm not audible to you all. Yes, Sujal, please unmute yourself. Okay, Samrat. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
teacher.
Yes, say the table.
Hello. Teacher, your voice is not coming. Your network is gone. Teacher, I say the table of 3. I am saying 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 3 3 the 9, 3 4 the 12, 3 5 the 15, 3 6 the 18, 3 7 the 21, 3 8 the 24, 3 9 the 27, 3 10 the 30.
Okay. Is it audible now? So therefore, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Yes, what is the dot? Everybody knows? Yes. So we are going to use dot and we are going to solve 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3, we are going to show using dot. Everybody know how to use the dot? Okay, no issue dear. Even I have a network issue. Yes, Sujal, no issue with that. So what we are going to do using the dot, we are going to solve 6 divided by 3. So what we are going to do, we are going to draw a small box and on top of it, we are going to write the question, that is 6 divided by 3. Now using the dot, we are going to solve 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 means which table we are going to use? We are going to use the table of 3. So in one line, only we are going to do 3 dots. And how many dots we are going to do? That is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As I am using the whiteboard, so maybe it is not clear to you, but hope everyone has understood how to use the dot. I am using the different highlighter to make you understand. See, I have drawn first dot here, second here, and third one, and 4 here, 5, and 6. So total how many dots we were supposed to draw? 6. So 6 divided by 3 will give you the answer as 2. How we will get the answer as 2? Because this is our first row and this is our second row. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. Also you will see 3 2s are 6. Understood everyone? Any doubt in it? Now next is 8 multiplied by 6 is equal to 48. Everybody knows that 6 8s is 48. 8 6 is 48, 6 8 is 48. But if you are supposed to do the division, 48 divided by a number, the answer should be 8, and 48 divided by a number, answer should be 6. Now just now I said 8 6 is 48 and 6 8 is 48. If you multiply 6 by 8, you will get answer 48. If you multiply 8 by 6, you will get the answer as 48. So here the blank is given to us. On the blank, we have to write which is the missing number. Now to get the answer as 8, which number we have to divide? Come on, let me know which number we should divide. Correct. First one, correct. Very good. You will find the answer here itself. You can see the answer in this column itself. 48, we have 48 here, 48 here. 8 is over here, which means what is missing? 6 is missing. So the first blank we are going to write as 6. And in the second, 48, 6, what is missing? 8. So we will write 8 over here. Understood everyone? Any doubt? Come on, let us solve one more example. 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24. Now we have to use 24 divided by a number will give you answer 6, and 24 divided by a number, answer will be 4. Now come on, who will tell me the first blank answer? What is the first blank answer? Text me the first answer. Correct, Arpita. Correct. The first blank will be, answer will be 4. 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. If you divide 24 by 4, you will get the answer as 6. Okay, second blank. What is the answer of second blank? Correct, Siddhi. The second blank is 6. Second blank's answer is 6. So from where did you come to know that it is 6? By the question itself. In the question only answer is there. 24, you will see over here, 6 over here. That means what was missing? 4. Same way over here for the second part, 24, 4. What was missing? 6. Correct. So hope everyone has understood. Any doubt? Let us divide one more sum. 75 divided by 5. Correct. Let us draw 5 over here, 75. Which table we are going to use? We are going to use the table of, yes, which table we are going to use? Yes, we are going to use the table of 5. So 5 ones is 5. 7 minus 5 how much? Is 2. So you are going to carry this 5 down. Now again 5 table, 5 5 is 25. So 25 minus 25 is 0. So here we have completed the sum, that is If you divide 75 by 5, you will get the answer as 15. Now in this 5, is a divisor. 15 is the quotient. 75 is dividend. And 0 is remainder. Yes, understood everyone? So in exam, we have to write divisor, dividend, remainder also. Okay? Hope everyone has understood. We'll continue this lessons revision in our next lecture. So we'll stop for today. Thank you everyone. See you in the next lecture. Have a nice day.